Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, the Spirit E-310 and the Genesis E-435. Big price difference right off the bat, almost $1,000.
Yeah, the Genesis is definitely a step up. The Spirit E-310 is around $450, while the Genesis E-435 is listed at $1,399. That's a big jump. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Genesis is bigger. It's got 4 burners compared to the Spirit's 3, and the cooking surface is larger, although the exact square inch difference isn't super clear. It looks like the Genesis is around 646 square inches, and the Spirit is at 360, so significantly larger cooking area.
Right, more space for burgers. Plus, it seems like the Genesis has some fancy features. It mentions Weber-crafted outdoor kitchen collection compatibility. What's that all about?
Yeah, it looks like you can swap out the grates for different cooking surfaces like a griddle or wok. The Spirit doesn't have that. Also, the Genesis boasts an extra-large Sear Zone and an expandable top cooking grate for even more space.
Okay, that sounds pretty cool. What about size and weight differences? I noticed the Genesis is a beast.
Definitely heavier. The Spirit weighs about 98 pounds, while the Genesis clocks in at a hefty 220. Dimensions are different too, with the Genesis being wider and deeper.
So the Genesis is for serious grillers. What about everyday usability? Are there any differences in ease of cleaning or ignition?
Both have grease management systems, but the Genesis claims to have a new and improved one. Also, both feature easy one-handed ignition. And I believe both have porcelain-enameled cast iron grates.
Okay, and what about warranty?
Both have a 10-year limited warranty on some parts.
So, basically, the Spirit is a solid, reliable grill for everyday use, while the Genesis is a bigger, more feature-rich option for someone who wants a full outdoor cooking experience and is willing to spend the money.
Exactly. It really depends on your budget and how seriously you take your grilling. If you're just doing burgers and dogs occasionally, the Spirit is probably fine. But if you're a grilling enthusiast, the Genesis might be worth the investment. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.